Hello, you're welcome. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to protect your WhatsApp from being hacked by someone. Yes, in the past 60 days, I've been privileged to provide solution in the area of recovering of WhatsApp and also protecting of WhatsApp. And what I've come to discover is that a lot of individuals are not aware of this. Now, whenever you open a social media handle or you create a platform, the first thing you must do is look for the two-step verification and add it to that platform, to that WhatsApp, to your Facebook, to your Instagram, whatever channel you're using, to your YouTube. Ensure you add your two-step verification. That will guide your integrity as an individual, so someone else cannot gain access to your information. I've seen a situation whereby a man in my church lost his WhatsApp, and within the space of 5 hours, the hackers have borrowed up to 10 million. He started paying for what he did not use. So please protect the integrity of your information with your company, with the people you're working with, by doing the things I'm going to be mentioning in this video. And if you have done it already, please share the video with someone. Someone out there might not have this information, so share the information so they are going to get and protect their WhatsApp. This morning, Edmond called me and was complaining that his WhatsApp was hacked. So this video is dedicated to Edmond. I promised I was going to make a video and educate us about this. Please, rule number 1, do not use your phone number as the first 6 digit. Rule number 2, do not use the ending part of your phone number as the first 6 digit. Rule number 3, do not use your date of birth. Okay, learn how to mix this information. Someone can have your phone number, and by guessing, they can gain access to your WhatsApp. And once they do that, you're going to lose trust with the company you have been working with or with someone, because that individual will gain access to sensitive information that you might not want anyone to have access to. So before we go into the practical aspect, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to share this video with someone. Very, very important. Share the video with someone, and remember that whenever you open a new platform, the first thing you need to do is to protect it by adding your two-step verification code. Now let's move into proper explanation of the video. So currently I am in my WhatsApp. So for 100 users, if you look up, you see green, click it. For 100 users, you will see a 3 dot, click it. For Apple users, down here you will see the logo of setting. Now when you click it, you're going to see account. Yes, a key with an account in front of it. When you click the account, it will take you to where we are going to start working on protecting your WhatsApp. So when you click it, you're going to see two-step verification, right? Two-step verification. Now remember, do not use your phone number. Rule number 1, do not use the beginning of your phone number for this account protection or for this WhatsApp protection. Rule number 2, do not use the last 6 digits of your phone number. Rule number 3, do not use your date of birth. Do not do that. So let us start the practice. Now, if you look at my dashboard, what they are telling me to do is to add what? Is to turn on the verification. Okay, so right now I'm going to enter a simple code for just explaining this video. Simple code. Trust me, I will not do this mistake. Do not enter 1 2 3 4 5 6. I forgot this one. Do not enter 1 2 3 4 5 6. No, very wrong. But the purpose of this video, I'm just going to use that to explain it for us. 1 2 3 4 5 6 is a very simple code that anybody can guess, and by so doing, you lost sensitive information about you and about someone. Do not forget to subscribe. If you're watching me for the first time, do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to like this video. Do not forget to comment. Do not forget to share the video with someone, because someone out there might need this information to protect their integrity with company and lot of persons. So I have entered 1 2 3 4 5 6. So they are asking me to reconfirm it again. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Good. So this is actually turning on, right? Yes, I've on my two-step verification code. Now with this code, no one can hack my WhatsApp. No one can hack my WhatsApp with this code. And the next thing you need to do after you put this code is also to add an email, right? After the two-step verification, the next thing is add an email. Now what you do is when you add your email is that your email can also be used as a recovering medium when you lost your account. Very important. Written on my email, you can see verify. My email is verified already. Your email can be used as a medium to recover your WhatsApp when someone gain access to it. I will not make video on that. I will not say much about that because I'm creating a video already for that. Okay, I will not say much about that for the post of this video, so it will not be too long. I've created a video about that, so you ensure you go watch it on how to recover your WhatsApp when it has been hacked by someone. So please do not forget to hit like and subscribe. All this information here are vital and you need to pay attention to them. How to change your phone number, PIN, and all those information you can see here. They are very, very important. Okay, all this information you can see are very, very important. Do not forget to hit like and subscribe. Share the video with someone. Share this video with someone. So if I log out now and I'm trying to log in, they'll ask me to do what? To put my two-step verification code. By so doing, I will log in proper to my WhatsApp. Okay, proper to my WhatsApp. So this is how it looks like. Thank you. Do not forget to hit like and subscribe for more. See you in my next video.